Hey guys, Theo here, and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious cheesy pigs in a blanket. Let's get started.
Roll out your pre-made crescent dough and separate into slices. Then, cut into 4 equal pieces. Using your slices of crescent dough, roll a hot dog and a slice of cheese. Then, grease a baking pan or a cast iron skillet with butter. Add your pigs in a blanket and bake at 375 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden brown.
Alright guys, so here are the delicious pigs in a blanket. You want to make sure that they're nice and golden brown and a little bit of charcoal on top gives it a little bit of extra flavor. If you like this recipe, it'll be found at the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy!